Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, should I will talk about Cooler Master Ncore 100 Air SFF chassis at CES 2025. So friend, the Cooler Master has announced Ncore 100 Air, a small form factor PC case crafted for gamers, content creators and SSF enthusiasts and designed to streamline PC building and upgrading. The Ncore 100 Air features an Opal toolless design, an innovative expandable design and compatibility with latest hardware ensuring users can easily keep up with their performance needs while enjoying a sleek and minimalistic look. In the case built on the Cooler Master commitment to empowering user to create high performance PC in small space design with modern user in mind, this case delivered the perfect blend of power, versatility, and minimalism in supporting the latest GTX, ITX motherboard, and SFX power supply unit while maintaining an efficient thermal layout. And the Ncore 100 is more than just a PC case, a statement for builders who value simplicity, performance, and style. And the case is compact, 14.7 liter size, and compatible to small booklet. And the case is a compact 14.7 liter size compared to the small booklet and easy to access frame with two-LED design for quick build and upgrades. And it supports triple slot GPU up to 336 mm and Intel AMD ITX motherboard, an anodized aluminum panel in black and white for sleek and minimalistic aesthetic. So friend, the pre-installed Cooler Master low profile fan ensure efficient airflow right out the box, and the connectivity including USB Type A and Type C port and audio combo plug. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.